Hello,
Okay.
this is the Group 9 of Web Application Programming, the project Lost and Found. Next slide. I'm RAKIB and RAFI, the group leader, and these are my friends Nathan, Sadman, Zhenhao, and Jin Hong. So the our project problem is that today we are losing personal items like wallets, phones, then IDs, maybe even USB flash drives in common places. And this is very stressful because when the personal belongings are lost, we cannot communicate or be in touch with our friends and families in this modern age when we are very inclined to these modern devices, and becomes very hectic in tourist places like Paris when some tourists or any other people from other places loses their personal belongings. So to solve this problem, we have Sadman who will be explaining our project.
Okay, so to solve this problem, we have designed Lost and Found, a platform designed to connect people who have lost or found items. Our goal is simple: to help people reunite with their belongings through a community network. On the website, users can browse recently lost items or report their own. For example, the homepage displays a lost leather wallet with details to help track it down. It's a straightforward tool to help people connect and recover lost items. In short, Lost and Found brings people together to ensure lost items find their way back to their rightful owner. Now, Jinhong will be showing you the user journey step by step. Thank you.
So now move on with the step-by-step part. So everything begins with step 1, where user register and log in. So after they log in the account, they got the access to submit a report or file item, something like that. And moving into step 2, so user can fill out a short and guided form to report a loss of found item, like item name, where and when it was last seen. So if they want, step 3 can add a photo, which make it easier for others to visually recognize the item. After that, in step 4, so user can browse or search the database using filter or keywords, something like the item name, the categories, and the date. So you're helping them narrow down the listing quickly. And finally, step 5, enable direct contact. So once a match is found, user can reach out via contact information provided in the report, like email or phone number. So through these 5 simple steps, our system turn a stressful situation into a clearly and helpful process. That's all for this part. Now, Nathan will move on. Thank you.
So there are a lot of tools and technologies that we use in making and testing this website. Among all of them, we believe 6 of them. First would be the main programming language we use, which is PHP. It is a very popular web development programming language that we personally use to execute the logic functions and handle all of the data queries coming in and out of the database. Next, we had MySQL, which is a relational database. Basically, we use it to store all the user data, and this is where all of the lost and found items details are going to go into. So whenever a search function comes up, PHP will call to SQL and look at the category and take that items row to this filter it out from all the rest of the items. Next, we have Exam. Exam is a development tool very popularly used to test these kind of like student websites, as hosting a website does cost money. So we use XAMPP to host a local server, which allows us to test our code and visually see from both user and developer side how the website would handle in a real life situation. Now, on the design side, we used a Figma, which is a website that allows you to visually design and choose the colors, shapes, and flow of the website of your choice. This allowed us to put a bit of a personal touch on how the website would look to the customer. Next, CSS is the language used to communicate to a computer how element or a website should look like. We got the CSS code or some of the CSS code from Figma, as they have a direct translation. They can directly translate the elements that we made in Figma into CSS code. Lastly, we have HTML. HTML is a simple markup language used to basically choose the structure of what elements go first in your website. So the header would be at the top, and your footer would be at the bottom, and in the middle, where the body in HTML would be all your regular content. Now, in making this website, we have run into a lot of challenges, which is I'm going to pass to my team group mate, Zhenhao Hong, to explain everything.
Hi, I'm Zhenhao. So I need to talk what challenge we had. So we have the 4 main challenge. The first one is a front end and back end integration. So it's very hard to connect HTML front with PHP code. And sometimes the front ends didn't match the PHP variables. So the second is user roles and permission. Because we want to make sure only report after or admin can edit the report, edit or delete the report. So we need to use the session management to check the role your user or your admin. So that can make sure the website working. The next challenge is session management. So when I first time I test our website. When I click the front report item, then he auto log out. So I checked again. So I see that because we no stop the session. So I edit session start Discord at the top of every PHP page. So that can make our website working. The last one is database structure. The database structure is a database files cannot match the PHP page. So when our report lost or report found item, we need to enter a lot of information. But the database database cannot not have the enough field. So when we open the detail, he cannot show all things. So I double check the database file. Let he send the PHP page and our font enter. So say okay. So that is all our challenge. So next part, I need to show our website. So I need to share our screen, share my screen. Okay, so let me see our database first. I use the PHP my admin to management our database. So our database name is a Lost&Found database. So we have the 3 main table. The first one is users. It's a users. We have the ID, the user name, email, and password. So our password, I use the hash password with more safety. So the next table is lost item. Lost item, we have the ID, user ID, lost item names, category, lost image path, lost location, lost date, and job location, connect phone, description, report name, report email, and lost created ads. So, and the font item actually is same. We also have the name, category, image path, location, date, or something. Okay, let's go back our website. This is our website main page. So let me see the header. This is a Lost and Found hub. This is our title or is our home button. So when our in other page go out jump out the other page. So I click this one. We can go back to the main page. And this is a browser item. You can see it's an item lost item list and found item list. So you can check lost item or found item, then you jump all lost item or lost all found item. So that and this one is a report lost item, and this one is a report found item. So later when our logging, we can show this function. And this one is a search bar. So later I also will show this one. And this is a logging register system. So, and this one is our title and bouncing lost item, constantly found items, and also showed how it was, right? And in manage, we will put some success stories in there, and our community pathers also. We have the Taylor's University because I'm Taylor student, right? So they stay, and also we have the stay update with the new files. And this is our folder. So we have the English chain. So so later maybe we will add Chinese or I don't know, right? So this one is some support us website, right? X, Instagram, and Facebook. So let me go back the login, right? So we need to create an account first. Let me click this one, then click register. So I enter the full name, this one. Wait, one, then email. So if this email is cannot, he will say you need to like AAA add. You must have the add and doc C. Yeah, you need to, your email must be like that. So you can register. And this is password. So I will enter simply 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then see register. So let me register. So register successful. So he will store in user. Let me see, like money, the name is money, right? The email is AABBC. So password, he will auto change the hash password. So let me go back this one, click the login, the enter email, right? aaa.bb.c at bb.c and 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then login. So we can see sorry. Sorry, maybe I enter wrong. Maybe I enter wrong email. Yeah, login successful. Welcome. He will say display our username. So we can show the report loss items first. So we click the report loss item. So this is item type. We can name like cat 2. Description, we can write something. There is a pet, right? Location lost, we can write something or something, right? And the kit is 177 2025. And connect in function, we can enter date. Then we can choose our image, if you have image, right? So I choose this one, right? Then you can write something, because you can write or you also cannot write. So sorry. So when everything is done, you can submit the report. Right? Submit successful. Then we'll go back the lost item list. Right. So this one is for testing. So yeah, you can click a picture. Then he will show all information in there. And yeah, because your user, you're after, so you can edit. You can edit if you're white Wong or something. You can edit like I want the cat name Wong. You can edit the cat 2222. So update successful. His name will change. Okay, that is a lost item. The later I will show the delete, because delete is same. So let me click the report from item. The report from item also is saying you can name is like the dog, right? Dog. Then also is pet. Other thing is also is okay. You can choose. He will coding in your database. And location phone and okay, the phone job and stay, and you can choose a dog, right? Then my name, and my name is Moni, right? Moni 2. I say that my email is my email. Then I need to click this one because I agree this rule, so I can submit. Oh, sorry. This must be entered because we need to expand something. Yeah. So submit from item upload successfully. So he also will in there. So if you click this one, also can see your category, location from, date from, job of location or something, right? You also can edit, but I not edit up there. So you also can see your upload in the database. Let me go to the lost item. Yeah, that's your upload, the font item, and that's my upload. Sorry, that's my upload. So in the tie also can show the tie. Let me go back the Lost and Found hub. So because sometimes maybe the item will a lot of things. So we need to search. It's like I lost a cat, right? I lost a cat, but too much cat in there, too much item in there, so I can search cat. Just for search, he will show the found item and lost item. Then you can find. This one is my. This is my upload, so I can find it, right? So real easy. If you want to find a dog, just enter dog. This one, he will show all lost item and found item. So let me go back, and if your this after, let me change this the other account, right? Let me change the other account like this one. Okay, it's a different account. So if you change different account, you go to the raw item, right? You go to there, then you click this one. You can see you cannot edit because you're not after or management. But okay, let's go back. We have the admin account because I setting in the database. So we entered this one, and password is ADMIM. Login. Close. You can show they have the admin pencil. Click there. You can in there can manage user, manage found item, and manage lost item request. So you click there, you can delete the user. Like I don't like this guy, right? Just delete. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yeah, he will go back there. Then when you see the user, yeah, you know have these guys, right? So let me go back the pencil. The manage phone item also can view and delete. If you don't like this one, delete. Delete successfully. So in the phone item you can find it, right? But you also can view, then edit because you are admin, right? Yeah, you can edit, then upload. Then the lost item also is same. You can view and edit. So edit and view, edit, right? Okay. So this is our website. That's all. Just this is.
All right, thank you. That's it.
So thank you so much.
Thanks for listening to our presentation. I hope it was worth your time. Yeah, that's it.
All right, stop the recording.